Ka Neutral National Liberation Council (Hnlc) haka arholai terek ucamang kala penpawi ka Sngewskhem haka Sorkar MDA kabaar kabla shim ya ka sian jaman pendep ya ka Iakren Iasuk kabaga seng kala persyang nadu usnem hajar kidukhat ka Hnlc kiladan menta hasulong na menta ka Iakren Iasuk kaba on sedang nadu katayo beningkong jong ubanai jeliu kini kidukhat ki kentup ya uba arrestar well thongni badai u political secretary uba man bahalang jerwa ubadai u vice chairman uba riman lapang PSO bat uba stoji lengdo PSO hagajingnya dan ringkat uba sadon bela ubalong uksiang jangka seng nakbanta kajingnya keren Iasuk haba keren bekilat pathai khubor menta kasni kidukhat ka seng kilayat hu baka seng kaladan menta hakabenta bat on sedang ya kajingnya keren bat ka Sorkar dah kabakaran syairu baka ni kam dei kajing pendam wan Henry kajing keren Iasuk haka baka seng kadan ya kikendon ki baka labu kilayat hu ru ba kiladan kajing ya kendu bu menteri ki kampo iyeng uba presiden tensong haka bala ya keren ki mat kum kalentia na kabenta ki kenhun kajing penbiang ki jakasa bat kiwe.
Actually, the peace process it started right from the year 2000 and above. Initially, it was Reverend PBM Pasoyman and then Home Minister Roshan Warjiri during the Congress regime. They were involved, but nothing materialized like it is today. The previous MUA government, okay, they were in terms of the ANVC, everything was done. The peace pact was done, then the tax settlement was done, but in our case, it was most of the time we were neglected. But the present MDA government, they have taken this thing seriously, and they have proved it. And that is why you are seeing us here today.